Does a stabilizer really help your accuracy? We're gonna find that out right now. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot 60 yards and I have a 12-inch front bar, 10-inch back bar, and I'm gonna shoot a total of 6 arrows with just the front bar and the back bar, 6 arrows, and nothing, no stabilizers, 6 arrows, and see what the difference is at 60 yards. We have a little GoPro downrange to see how we do. So 60 yards. Okay, first round, we have the back bar and the stabilizer, and 60 yards, way over there. First shot, here we go. Smoked it. It's a pretty good shot. That was a good shot as well. Not a good shot. Shot a little low there. Well, I did a practice round and the nock just got busted or bent, so I'm not gonna shoot this arrow. So I guess it's gonna be 5 arrows. 5th shot and final shot. Pretty good shot. A little higher than others. All right, not my best group, but just kind of a, so let's go take a look at those shots. So that was my group. Well, besides this one, that's a fairly good group. I mean, if you minus these two, that's a really good 3-arrow group at 60. This one, I knew it was gonna go low. Okay, now just the front bar, no back bar. See how we shoot. 60 yards. I can definitely tell a difference. Like, it's definitely lighter and the bow wants to go to the right. I'm definitely not as steady with the front bar and the back bar. But so far, our group is pretty good. A little low. A decent little group, 4-arrow group on the bottom side, and one kind of pretty high. So let's go take a look. So those 4 at 60, not a bad little group, and then that one, not so much. I tend to be shooting low with my bow. That's what you saw with the front bar and the back bar. Okay, stabilizer is coming off. Okay, now it is no back bar or front bar, just the bare bow. We're gonna see how stable we can get it. Shooting pretty much the same spot. That was right with the first shot. That one shot just by the second shot, I believe. Let's go take a look. There is no stabilizer group. Yet again, I feel like I've had 4 good arrows, good group. Like those are a nice group, and I always have one to the side. And again, aiming right here, scattered to the left, and one to the right, low. Comment down below, what one's the best group out of the 3 groups I shot? First being back bar, front bar, second being just the front bar, third being no stabilizers whatsoever. But if you guys like this video, smash a like, make sure to subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to get more videos like this. Peace.